Three, and on that green is when they go. So we set our cars up. We wait to get the Nivets have a bit of a look. Lisa Lee, are you ready over here? Turbo Todd, are you ready to go? Oh, a little bit of smack talking between the two dyno operators. Look at this. A little bit of a little pinky over there. All right, let's see. Let's do the action to the talking. Our line operator's ready to go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. 3, 2, 1. Here, boys. Let's go. Side by side. The Just Code. Off they go. The Haltech Performer Arena. Both cars nice run in the orange corner. What do we got? Waiting for those numbers to come up. Far side 148 kilowatts. 155 kilowatts over here. Come on, guys. Round up works for our two cars. I think we better run them again.